continuing lovely Dreamtime music on WLDL with the popular success from last summer, It's Raining on Prom Night.
I was deprived of a young girl's dream.